Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Now let's start with the unit 6. The chapter of this, the prose portion of this, I'll send the video later on. We'll start with the poem as we are continuing with the poem. So the name of the poem as it suggests that no men are foreign, no one is strange, no one is different. So the poet have tried to give the various ways to show that we all are same. Have you ever thought of some people as strange or other countries as a foreign? Have you ever thought that the people is strange as it belongs from the different country or is having some different language or the different costumes or the attire it's wearing? So here the poet has remind us, reminded us that there are the various ways which we can be same. For we all are the humans. We all are the human beings. So let's start with the first stanza. The first stanza goes like this. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we all shall lie. So, the poet is asking us to remember that no one is strange, no man, nobody is strange, no countries, even neither the other countries we call it as a foreigner, no country is foreign. What's the reason the poet has given? That beneath all uniforms a single body breathes, like ours the land our brothers walk upon. Now, beneath all uniforms, whatever the uniforms, the costumes they are wearing, there is a single body which is breathing. The way we are breathing, the same they are also breathing. Like us, the land our brothers. The poet have used the word brothers, the siblings they are like us. They also use the same land to walk. Even the earth which we are living, they are also living on that, in which we shall live, in which we are living. They are also using the same land, the same earth to live. So no man is strange, no one is strange. Okay. So now let's move on to the next stanza, the second stanza. The second stanza of this poem goes like this. They too aware of sun and air and water are fed by peaceful harvest, by wars long winter starved. Their hands are ours and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. They are too. The sun is giving the same rays. They are also aware of the sun, air and water. Whatever the natural things they are getting, the God is giving this same. Are fed by peaceful harvest. Whatever the harvest or the farmers is giving same, right? The harvest they are getting it same. That is the Almighty. The God is giving same. By wars long winter starved. Even in the winter the people are starving same. That means the God Almighty, the nature is giving same. The nature is not doing any bifurcation. No partiality done by the nature. Their hands are ours and in their lines we read. Especially the farmers or the laborers here, or the farmers or the laborers. So the farmers, the laborers which are not different from us, we all are same. A labor not different from our own. The labor they are working for us, they are striving for us day and night. They are working hard, they are taking pains for us day and night. So they are not different from us. Now let's move on to the third stanza. Remember they have eyes like ours that wake, our sleep and strength that can be won by love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Even you are supposed to remember that they are also having the eyes like we are having. The way we wake up, the same they can wake up. The dreams which we wake with, even they are having the dreams which they wake with. Or the sleep, even they are having the same body organs. Even if we can think the body organs which we possess, they are having that same. Even they sleep and they wake the way we wake, and the strength that can be won. If we want to win their power, that can be won only by what? If we want to win somebody's power, that can be won by the love only. That is the only one thing which we can win them, that is only by the love itself. In every land is common life that all can recognize, that can identify and understood. Every land, everywhere you can win the strength, you can win the people's heart that is only by the love. No one is strange, no one is different, everyone is living the way we are living. So we can win their lives by just loving them. Only if we love them, they can understand and we can understand them. So let us remember whenever we are told, this is the fourth stanza, that let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, or condemn. Remember who take arms against each other. So let us remember whenever we are asked to hate our brothers, especially by the politicians or the some other peoples, those who are asking you to hate the other peoples, who are just telling you to hate them. But remember, they are your brothers, right? Because you all are equal, and the people, those who are asking you to hate someone, that is for their benefits they are asking you. They are going to get benefits, not to hate others. Before hating, you are supposed to think twice that what could be the reason. It's better that you are hating yourself only if you are hating the others, or you are asked to hate others. That we shall dispossess, betray, or condemn. Here the condemn means to express the complete disapproval. Try to raise your voice that you are not agreed to betray someone's trust, or whosoever is a human being, you can't hate them. Try to show your disapproval, that you disagree with the thoughts whatever you are asking to do them. Remember who take arms against each other. Why you are opposing each other? What could be the reason? Think twice. Be ready to raise your voice if you are wrong, if you are getting that the person who is asking you to do that thing is wrong. So show your disapproval for that. Raise your voice before enacting on that. Next, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. It's the human earth that we defile. Now, the meaning of defile, that is which damages the